Yeah guys, welcome to this video. It's a new, different video this time. It's about a little review I'm doing on this Tiger 1. It's a fake like taigen type of thing, German Tiger 1. It's 1/24 scale and it's I bought it at AliExpress. It's also with infrared, like it can shoot. And here is like the infrared laser. Here is like the receiver built inside there. It also has lights and sounds, also a flashing machine gun, and engine sounds and all. So I got the box, I got little pictures of it. I'm gonna put it right now in the screen, so you can pause the video now if you want to read the box for yourself. It's also with this type of instruction manual. At first I thought it was only Chinese, but there is English at the bottom of every page. So yeah, overall I'm pretty excited. I'm having it for quite a while, but I did only put it out of the box. I had not put accessories on it. It also came with the tank. I can show you right now. Like these different these are like track parts, and we got these cables that come on it. Like, and we got this machine gun with also, I believe, here over here we got the mount of the machine gun, fire extinguisher, these hooks from the front and the back of the Tiger, and we also got this sheet of decals. But I'm not going to put it on right now because I just want to paint it, make a different color, make it I think dunkelgelb with rust brown. I will make it a camouflage, but it will happen in the future. So yeah, I haven't tried it out yet. That's why I wanted to do this video, also like a little test. This is not waterproof, and in the manual it said that the battery first needed to charge. Here's the battery that came with it. Here's the charging port, here's the connection port for the tank. I have already charged it up. It came with this charging cable with the 3 pins, USB, nothing more. You need to have this socket for yourself, or you can put it inside your PlayStation or your computer or whatever. It also came with this little bye. This is a controller, but you see it says Taigen nowhere, so it's like definitely a sort of rip-off. But yeah, it looks kind of the same. The tank is exactly the same. Here you see you need 2 AA batteries. They are not included, but I got them over here. And you see also here this thing, I think it's like for cable to hang around so it won't fall, I guess. And the instruction says this for the driving part, this for the turret part, this like shooting with the big gun, and here is like the machine gun. So there will be a light in there. Yeah guys, and what I said, the accessories, they all need to put on there. You see all the holes still there. That's where the accessories need to go. But I will put them on once I've painted this in a cool way. I don't like it that way. Anyways, also the tracks, they are from rubber. So yeah man, let's see it in action. So now we're gonna put the battery in, otherwise there's no action. There ain't none. As you can see in the back, it also nowhere says anything, no mark, no brand, no label. Trash can, of course. It's really easy to open. You just push to the side like that. Alright, and then you can open it up. Oh, no, shoddy. Like that, yeah. And there is lots of space inside. That's what I really like. You see the plate that goes in there, and in the front here, and then you just click it. I think, yes, we click it back in. Okay, and now if we're gonna put it on, you see the light in the front here is actually flashing like that. You have controller on. Then I push this button 2 seconds. Yes. Here it says the volume. I'm gonna put it down. It's the hardest, the highest. I'm gonna put it down now for just to make it a little bit easier for me to speak. So I'm moving this down and the gun goes up and down. So it's then you have to wait to see the firing when I move this guy up. So yeah, firing bottom. Pretty noisy though, but cool sound effects. I'm gonna turn the turret. You can't do it at the same time. Driving part. Let's see. Okay. Almost no proportion, guys. I need to watch out with my coffee over there, so let's see the turn. Oh, you're turning real fast. Yeah, the proportion is really really sensitive. You need to really be really gentle. Little bit too pushy and whoops, he goes. Now let's check out this button for the machine gun. Okay. So now let's see it in the backyard. I'm driving it a little bit around.